The opera follows Jenny on her tour of America in 1850. She was the most famous opera singer of her time. It's the equivalent to Elvis or the Beatles.
Barnum is quite an extravagant, clever guy in a way. He came from quite a poor background, but has built himself up to be this big entrepreneur.
He almost thinks of her as product or an investment. How can I use this individual to get filthy rich?
When she comes to America, she's really frustrated. P.T. Barnum is all about selling tickets and getting the highest bid, but she's more central, grounded. She knows what she wants.
She really does sing because she loves opera and she thinks that God has given her this gift. You're in the audience left asking, why do we perform? Are we here because we love what we do, or are we doing it to make money? And I think that's the main issue that Jenny has with the tour itself. That's why she cuts it short.
I think it's brilliant that the Royal College of Music has chosen to profile a piece by a living female composer. By giving the British premiere of this work, it feels like it's something so culturally significant, especially with the link that Jenny Lind actually taught here.
So much of opera is about somebody imposing on a woman like a condition. So I think to explore a modern opera and ask questions about what Jenny Lind was rather than deciding who she was is really great. That was the thing that drew me to the piece.
The production is going to be quite a spectacle with all these different characters. It's a real ensemble opera.
There's a lot of famous songs that pop up, so it's kind of like a jukebox opera.
There is a chorus of 8 that are literally on stage for the entire piece. They are all master students and they have worked so incredibly hard. They're superstars. They're really, 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 really unbelievably good. I would say that this is a fun, fantastical adventure. It's wild, it's funny, it's over the top, it's outrageous. It's such a sensory overload of chaos and madness and creation and fun.